Time, the most precious resource in the world. We can't give you more time, but our timepieces allow you to forget the time. The clocks made by Jahren Sattler combine the present with the future and are made for generations. A lasting value that will retain its brilliance centuries from now. No effort is spared. Only the most modern machines and the highest quality materials are used. The high aspiration of our watchmakers distinguishes us. Just applying the scales to our dials takes almost an hour. The name Jahren Sattler stands for precision craftsmanship. The Troya long case clock is a rare jewel which bears a secret deep within its case. A safe is hidden in the base. Secured by an electronic key code lock and its multi-walled steel corpus, it assures that your precious valuables are always safe. 16 retractable watch winders are an absolute highlight of this clock. Each of them is outfitted with its own motor and can be individually programmed. The precision pendulum is accurate to within 1 to 2 seconds per month. The Troya, a symbol of aesthetics and security in your own home. Up to 5 millimeters of hard brass assures the stability of our base plates. Each precise milling operation is completed in a computer-controlled machining center. It doesn't get any more precise than this. The exclusive watchwinder Rotalis shows what it's got when a button is pushed. A gold-plated precision gear train transmits energy from the motor to the wristwatch. Tensioning mainsprings and setting the time and date become things of the past. There's room here for up to 32 mechanical wristwatches, even those containing a full calendar, all in constant motion. Our Rotalis is not only a practical accessory, it is also a true masterpiece for every watch aficionado. The small series are what make our timepieces so unique. Our experience is unique. The anniversary model trilogy demonstrates several areas of expertise in one unit. A Sattler precision table clock with 15 days of power reserve is combined with a programmable watchwinder and the first Jahren Sattler wristwatch. This set is limited to 50 pieces. Our experienced master watchmakers assemble the timepieces by hand. Up to 477 components can be needed to manufacture one of our highly complex movements. The time it takes to create a complete Sattler movement can last up to 2 years. Only when a degree of perfection is achieved that guarantees quality for generations do the gear wheels begin to rotate. The columna temporis, an exceptional timekeeping instrument. Modern aesthetics coupled with the high art of horology form the foundation for this handmade precision clock with 30 days of power reserve. The hand-blown glass dome lends the columna temporis its fascinating transparency. The design of Sattler clocks has timeless appeal. One example of this is the domed, blued steel hands. They are manufactured lovingly by hand according to traditional watchmaking know-how. Creating just one pair of hands takes a full day. The Classica Secunda 1985 is a precise timepiece. Its maximum rate deviation is a mere 1 to 2 seconds per month. The movement's function is devoted to just one thing: the accurate display of time. Our wristwatch regulateur Classica Secunda is an exact miniaturization of the precision pendulum clock for the wrist. The glass back offers a look into the impressive technology and reveals why each one is unique. Controlled by a fingerprint reader, the massive armored glass panes of the Rotalis 30 open. 100 LED lights illuminate the impressive craftsmanship inside. It's a moment that evokes the emotions of every watch collector, revealing a high-end precision watch winder for 30 or even 60 wristwatches. The Rotalis has created a new standard. Its design, quality, and technology are unique. Our tools perform to a precision of 1,000th of a millimeter, which guarantees extraordinary quality, meeting the highest demands, ours and yours. Every timepiece from Jahren Sattler is proof of the importance we place on the synthesis of modern manufacturing and century-old craftsmanship with timeless appeal. The Columbia Atlantis and the Tempus Mobile Atlantis are true design objects. This solid brass masterpiece is not just a precious piece of furniture for a luxury yacht. This world-time precision clock is mounted on gimbals, which compensate for a ship's inclination up to 30 degrees. Opus Temporis, the most unusual precision pendulum clock that has ever been manufactured by Jahren Sattler. The movement demonstrates our tradition of clockmaking innovation. Sweep seconds, perpetual calendar with hand-painted moon, chiming, and an anniversary diamond. Only 50 pieces will be manufactured by hand. Each one of them bears an individual number on its dial. The accuracy of the moon phase is unrivaled. From new moon to new moon, it deviates by only 7 seconds, meaning the moon's sphere would have to be corrected every 125 years. That's accuracy to impress even the most demanding clock aficionado. The fine chime on a tubular gong and the comforting rhythmic ticking of the Opus Temporis add an impressive accent to any room. Jahren Sattler makes clocks, even very big ones. Have a look at the facade of the company headquarters in Gräfelfing near Munich, Germany. This is the biggest precision pendulum clock in the world, 12 meters high with a pendulum 8 meters long. It's a very special and timely unit, which represents what Jahren Sattler stands for. Here, the dream comes alive, making timepieces for generations, and somehow time seems to stand still with a genuine clock made by Jahren Sattler.